Up, rock bottom, bottle got him chillin' in the bathtub, gorilla mask on and giving himself a back rub. Pass me the grapefruit, stay tuned, I'ma do whatever the fuck you say, dude. It's not like I'm paying you, scram, get your goddamn hands out of my fucking garbage can, man. This Kool-Aid's electric, pools closed due to AIDS, pace stay skeptic, hate to say it's hectic in the boroughs of the Commonwealth, but the other day a friend of mine up and offed himself. Often felt the same walls closing in, stay calm, breathe deep, eat food, get sleep. Journey to the end of the night. Return a learned man, teach the people to act right. I got my hash pipe, hanging tapestries. If I expose the dream, these other folks will only laugh at me. Still laughing at me, I laugh back. Lose control and pull a bomb out of a backpack. Well, I've been working for fucking nothing for too long. Woke up the other day and my youth gone. All the bitches I used to love have moved on. Every couple of years a pet dies and I try to find a sense of purpose in a haystack. Lost my fucking mind, I've been trying to